Like that. And that's how to stop it too. Hey y'all.
Oh, this is gonna be funny.
Find him! There's nobody home, and this is dog.
Hey, and so you check them out.
No, actually there is people home, but it's my dog Duke, and this is how much my dog Duke hates Noah.
Come on, go pet the little puppy. It's just a puppy.
It's just a little puppy, Noah. It's on.
Noah, you better go pet him. Poor Noah into this.
Noah is scared.
Hey, let me see. Wait, Noah, wait.
No, just let him smell you, then
Wait,
he'll...
wait. It's a cute little puppy.
And he is 2 years old, and Noah's scared of him.
If I were him, I'd back down.
Yes. Duke! Okay, stop it. Pause it.